Hi everyone, I'm Đức. Now this is my homework. Okay, Carlos buy a new car. It's very expensive car. It's a huge, blue and fast car. While driving down the street, Carlos see a girl on bicycle. She has long blonde hair and beautiful. He asked her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He yelled, "How's it going?" She keeps going and ignores him. He yelled, "Hey, why want to talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl turned, rest of the bar, and looks at him. She said, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me a car, I will give you a surprise." Carlos said, "Okay." He jumps out of the car. He gives her the key and said, "Here's the key." The beautiful blonde takes the key and kisses Carlos on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and drives away. Carlos stands on the sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. He said, "That's it. Throw the kiss on the cheek." He gets on her bike and rides home. Thank you for watching. Bye.